Hey, strangers. Okay, so maybe I'm a stranger. Hi, welcome to 2015. I hope that the end of your year last year was better than mine. Mine sucked a lot, and that is why you haven't seen me. I was really busy, and then a death in the family, and then blah, 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 blah. But for now, I'm back, and the 50 canvases, I still plan on finishing hopefully in the next couple months or so. I'm going to start with a series of zodiac paintings, which will get 12 knocked right out of the way. So we still have, I think, less than 20 to go. But yeah, I do want to finish them. And for now, I'm going to start a new series of videos for my recordings art journal. Recordings, since the journal itself is made out of a record. And all the spreads are going to be music based. Music is a huge part of my life, and I play it, my kids play it, I listen to it constantly. So yeah, so it'll be all songs that are important to me. So this first one is Come a Little Closer by Cage the Elephant. That is, this line, 10,000 people stand alone now, is pretty much what sparked this whole project. So yay, Cage the Elephant. Let's see. Yeah, so I'm going to be trying to post these videos on Wednesday, and then I'll do the 50 canvases Thursday. That's the plan. We'll see what happens. I've been working at my friend's restaurant, just trying to help out, which the hours have gone down, so that's awesome. And I'm also taking EMT classes, so it's all keeping me pretty busy. But I plan on getting this done. So yeah, I'm gonna shut up now and let you just get to the video. And yeah, I hope your 2015 is amazing. Okay, bye, bye, bye.
I never wanted to say, I never wanted to say, I never wanted to say goodbye. I never wanted to say goodbye. As much is true, the bets on you to lose. And on the leg in Appleland amused. Oh, don't you be, don't you be, don't you be, don't you be, oh no, alone. Don't you be, don't you be, don't you be, don't you be, oh no, alone. You gotta take it in stride. You gotta take it and try. Is it too late? Is it too late? Is it too late? Is it too late for you? Now, is it too late? Is it too late? Is it too late? Is it too late? Is it too late for me? Don't you be, don't you be, don't you I never wanted to say, don't you be, oh no, alone. I never wanted to say, don't you be, don't you be, don't you I never wanted to say, don't you be, oh no, alone. I never wanted to say goodbye. Don't you be, don't you be, don't you I never wanted to say, don't you be, oh no, alone.